सो हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल पीजीवाई टीवी। तो आज हम लोग फिर से एक नए वीडियो के साथ आ गए हैं, जो कि था हम लोग पिछले वीडियो जो हम लोगों ने बताया था, पार्ट वन था स्ट्रिंग का। अगर आपने वो पार्ट वन नहीं देखा है तो अब भी जाइए हमारे चैनल पे या इस आई बटन पे क्लिक कीजिए, आपको वो पार्ट वन वाला वीडियो मिल जाएगा। ये वीडियो आप अगर देख रहे हैं तो मैं बता दूं, ये वीडियो देखने से कोई फायदा नहीं है। आप पार्ट वन को पहले देखिए, उसके बाद ये वीडियो के ऊपर आइए, तब आपको जाके पता चलेगा कि वीडियो एक्चुअली था किस बारे में। तो चलिए बिना किसी टाइम को वक्त को ज़ाया किए हुए हम लोग स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। तो इसका जो पार्ट टू का जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, टाइटल है, वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है। पार्ट टू का टाइटल है हिंदुइज्म इज अबाउट एस्टैब्लिशिंग धर्मा बट नॉट रिलीजियन। तो गाइज, उससे पहले मैं बता दूं कि पिछले वीडियो में जो हम लोगों ने सस्पेंस, मतलब पार्ट वन में स्ट्रिंग रिवील्स ने जो सस्पेंस छोड़ा था कि वैभव करके कोई था, कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग उसकी सुनाई जा रही थी कि व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट हिंदुइज्म और हाउ कैन यू ब्लेम सदगुरु, ऐसे ऐसे बात बताई जा रही थी, मतलब कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग में सुनी जा रही थी। तो आई होप कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग्स के बारे में ही इसमें पार्ट टू में बताया जाएगा। तो आइए देख लेते हैं वीडियो। तो देखिए, एक वीडियो में भी लिखा हुआ है कि पार्ट वन को देखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है इस पार्ट टू को देखने से पहले।
If you want to destroy someone without any evidence, accuse them of being a womanizer, casteist, rapist, secular, anti religion, or leak his WhatsApp chat, cut out a small portion of his video and post it in social media. These are the ways in today's world. The platforms and the fraudsters who are doing this mischief, they are not dangerous. The real problem is with the dumb people who are watching it and deciding things based on short videos and half-baked information. Those who desperately want to watch the half edited clips, if you're not interested in the full, that means you are a half. Everybody knows what that half means. There are few people who are sensitive to abuse.
भाई साहब, इसने ऐसा पंचलाइन मारा है कि मेरे को अब समझने वाले समझ गए हैं, ठीक है, कि हाफ का मतलब उसने किसको डिनोट करते हुए बोला है। लेकिन ठीक है, ये कोई गाली नहीं है, बस एक डिनोट किया गया है। ठीक है, फिर भी सुनने में थोड़ा सा फनी लगता है हाफ करके।
I don't want to disappoint them. I'll be sweet, don't worry.
अब बोल भी रहा है कि आई डोंट वांट टू डिसअपॉइंट देम।
My question is, the person might have done incredible social reforming activities. Do you want to value him for that or for what he does in his bedroom and bathroom? Because people are so sick about sexuality. Sexual abuse is being used as a tool to destroy the lives of many great people. As if you never went for a girl in life. As if you don't have sexual desires. Why this build up here? Who taught you that sex is a bad thing? Why are you glorifying the simple act of human nature? Above all, how can you reject all the great work done by a person just by looking at his bedroom video or one sentence of his talk cut out from his full talk? He will be seen as a criminal all of a sudden. He has to
हम्म।
defend himself his whole life against the false accusations. You want to put the accused on back foot for no fault of his. Periyarists and leftists have primed this as an art.
पेरियारिस्ट्स, हाँ पेरियार्स मतलब शायद तमिलनाडु में कोई, मेरे को जहाँ तक नॉलेज हो रहा है कि पेरियार एक आपका टाइटल होता है वहाँ का, दिस पेरियार, दैट पेरियार, ऐसे। तो पेरियारिस्ट्स एंड लेफ्टिस्ट्स। हम्म।
And now, few right wing extremists have learned this art from their left wing friends. Anyone who is not acceding to their views is branded as an anti Hindu or casteist, and they will actively go against them. First thing they will go for is sex matter. They posted a short clip of his talk, demeaning it sexually, and started ranting in Twitter. What they have done to Sadhguru is already known to you, and nobody is interested in dragging it further. But String is here to expose a crucial aspect of what kind of people are doing these things and how to put an end to it. This is a call recording with the so called Hindu who rejects Sadhguru because Sadhguru never read scriptures and Vedas. Can you tell me what percentage of Hindus know scriptures and Vedas? Listen to this.
हेलो।
क्या स्क्रिप्चर्स एंड वेदास अगर नहीं पढ़ा तो ठीक है, सुनते हैं क्या वैभव जी ने क्या बोलते हैं।
Anna, namaskaram.
नमस्कार।
Anna, are you on drugs or something?
व्हाट?
I remember last time when you were part of the stream, you were saying that because the way you are losing your mind on Sadhguru,
No, no, I'm not losing my mind on
you tell
Sadhguru
me,
or anyone else.
you tell me why you
Listen,
have
listen,
tweeted that
listen.
edited part of the Sadhguru without looking at the full video of Krishna thing. It is clearly demeaning, right? In the
No,
middle,
I'm not
I don't know.
a big devotee of Sadhguru or any neo guru. Listen,
That
I
again
have
proves
videos of.
that you have a very low understanding
No,
of
listen,
Sadhguru's
listen.
talks.
No, no, Sadhguru. I have videos of Sadhguru clearly saying he doesn't read any scriptures. He doesn't know Sanskrit. Then how can he speak bullshit about Bhagwan Krishna?
How can you clearly say that what he's talking is bullshit? On what basis?
Hmm.
I have attached all the proofs. The
What
problem
proof? What
you
is the
people,
proof? No,
the
what proof?
problem of
You have attached all the proofs of your stinking mind. It is not proof of the existence. That's your misinterpretation.
I,
What qualification you
I
have to
have
disprove him? Hello.
attached.
What
Hmm.
qualification you have to disprove him?
यहाँ पे मतलब समझ में आ रहा है कि वो जो विनोद भाई एकदम माइंड लूज कर गए हैं, मतलब टेम्पर में आ गए हैं पूरा, उसको बोलने ही नहीं दे रहा वैभव को.
How can you say that it's a proof?
Okay.
Tell me, no?
So
Answer my question.
let's.
No?
It's
What let's?
around 12. Let's
Ah.
arrange a call tomorrow. Okay.
Why are you scared, na?
I'm not scared.
You are see
morons
why
have-
can't we do it now?
morons have-
You
so
tell me
don't,
see you tell me what is your problem with Sadhguru? Let's clear that, no?
He should not speak on Hindu topics if he clearly says he is not talking about Hinduism. Achha,
What is Hinduism? What is Hinduism?
People who follow.
Huh?
Okay, listen.
What is Hinduism?
First of
Why
all-
are you faltering?
first
What is
of-
Hinduism, man? Listen, see, if you know Hinduism, then you
I'm-
don't know.
I'm-
You idiot!
I'm-
You yourself don't know Hinduism. How the hell you can talk about Sadhguru?
Huh,
Tell me
let
what
me
is
tell you.
Hinduism.
Let me tell you.
Let me tell you expletive shit. You start telling what is Hinduism.
Hinduism is a
Is that
Vedic Sanatan Dharma that
Vaibhav?
it's a religion.
Vaibhav is a boy with black hair. With
Shut up.
oh,
Let me
abusing
speak,
me.
let me. You
What is
people say
Hinduism? I asked you 10 times
Hinduism
now.
is a foreign word. You say na. Hinduism is a foreign word. Hindu is a foreign word. You say na.
See, now I can confirm that you are mentally retarded. When did I say Hinduism is foreign?
You say Hindu word is foreign word.
When?
Your video
Where?
You are saying Hindu Rashtra is possible or not.
When?
Your video where you are saying
Hindu,
can we
you
make
bloody
Hindu
idiot. I
Rashtra?
said that caste is a foreign word. Caste is a Portuguese word. It is not Hindu. You are like clearly I can
Listen,
certify you.
listen.
You should go to consult Dr. Vaibhav.
Listen. If you can.
You clearly
counter
escaped.
me-
You did not tell me what is Hinduism. Now you are saying
You are not
Sadhguru should
allowing me
not
to
say.
tell.
Tell me now.
You are not allowing me
Okay.
to tell.
Silent. I am silent. Tell me what is Hinduism.
Hinduism is a religion.
Ah.
Okay.
First of all,
And
Hinduism is not a
Hinduism.
religion. Gone. Tell me.
Why first you said
Why
you
you
let me
faltering?
speak
You don't
silent. Now
falter.
let me speak.
Hmm.
Hinduism is a religion which is based on dharma, arth, kam, moksha, as, and it follows certain scriptures. Vedas are supreme, and then comes itihas like Ramayana, Mahabharata, and like Gita is a part of Mahabharata, and then we have Purans, and then we have Smritis, and then we have different sects like Vaishnavacharyas, sect of Vaishnavas, Vaishnavacharyas, Shankaracharyas, and they are supreme authority on Hinduism. Okay.
Can you give me a reference of your definition? Where did you pick this definition from? So
you people say
you
don't
are gone.
believe
Finish.
in any. We
Finish.
are not any.
You are
followers of
giving
any
me
book.
you are giving me your own crap which you formed in your mind. When I'm asking you repeatedly the question,
okay,
you don't know what the
I-
hell is Hinduism is, and you're not interested
Okay,
in
you
listening to
tell me.
what Sadhguru is
Okay.
saying.
Okay. Listen, I told you my definition of Hinduism based on
Agree
dharma,
that
arth, kam, moksha.
you
Now
have
you
to
tell me
agree
what's
that
the definition of.
I'll tell you. See, you have to agree that it's your definition of Hinduism. That is not the actual definition of Hinduism. Let me give you. See, you tell me what scripture. If Hindu is a religion, what is the sacred book of Hindus?
Veda,
Which book? Vedas.
Rig Veda, Samveda,
Where is who decided it? Where is the reference? Who decided Vedas is the sacred book of Hindus? Is it not Bhagavad Gita? Is it not Manusmriti? Is it not Ramayana? Is it not Mahabharata? Why only Vedas? Why not Shiva Puranam? Why not Vigyan Vairav Tantra? Who decided?
Uh,
There is no
so
sacred book for a Hindu as a religion. Do you understand that?
Okay, and
You and your sarcastic laughter doesn't prove things
And-
here, okay? And the kind of damage that you have done to Sadhguru, they are posting death threats on him.
Yeah, we forward this to as many relatives. Not sure if it will reach to Pujari Sanghi, not will lynched in Bridge Kshetra.
Are these the people who wanting to form Hindu Rashtra? I'm scared. This guy is saying Sadhguru should not speak about Hinduism. Let's look at the kind of work Sadhguru has done. 112 feet. Have you been there? The Guinness World Record monument of Shiva
Height 112 feet.
statue. Nobody knows what it took for Sadhguru to consecrate Dhyanalinga, one of its kind linga on the planet. Priests from Kashi come here to do rituals and Saptarishi Arati. The man who never read Vedas is doing all this, which has become the pride of all Hindus today. What have you done, tell me? Cut out this video and ranting in Twitter. Frauds who posted half a clip, you leave them. They are anyway determined to troll Sadhguru. Those who are watching it, at least you should have sense, no? If leftists troll Sadhguru, it's understandable. I got calls from Hindus. Anna, did Sadhguru really say this? Genuine doubt. After that, hatred, which will eventually transform into anger. And finally, they even posted they want to lynch Sadhguru. Now I posted this call recording. You should imagine the condition of these people desperately searching for Gita or Veda. They don't know a damn thing. Majority of the people who are prevailing as Hindus are convent educated from the missionary schools. Their teachers are Muslims and Christians, brainwashed with Western education system. They have no idea about Vedas and scriptures. In most schools there is no Sanskrit language. They are Hindus only on a certificate. Half-baked ignorance using Sanatana Dharma flag and creating havoc in the society. Who is going to question them? How can you use the Hindu word so loosely without any knowledge about it? These are the Hindu trads I referred to in that meme. A true Hindu who is well versed with Vedas will never go against Sadhguru. Instead, they will support him. Look at this.
For all Indians, it's the time to
Shri Esha Priyatirtha Swamiji.
join hands in Free TN Temples movement with Shri Jaggi Vasudev.
ಈಶಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗ್ಗಿ ವಾಸುದೇವಜಿ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಆಂದೋಲನವನ್ನು ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಅವರು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಮತವಿದೆ.
सदगुरु जग्गी वासुदेव ने एक बहुत बड़ा अभियान शुरू किया है। मंदिरों को सरकार से मुक्त करो, इस उद्देश्य के लिए एक अच्छा अभियान का शुरुआत किया है। इस अभियान का पूरा समर्थन हम करते हैं। जगत गुरु शंकराचार्य संस्थापित रामचंद्रापुर मठ और मठ का समस्त भक्तगण इस अभियान के साथ है।
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Sri Krishna is talking about establishing dharma but not religion. That's what even Sadhguru is saying, and that's what I stand for as a Hindu.
Not against any religion, caste, belief or creed. So guys, ये वीडियो बेसिकली कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग के ऊपर ही था। पूरी पता चल रहा था कि उसको मतलब नॉलेज नहीं है हिंदुज़म के बारे में। एक्चुअली मेरे को भी अचानक से अगर कोई फ़ोन करके बोलेगा कि हिंदुज़म क्या है, तुम क्या जानते हो हिंदुज़म के बारे में, तो मैं भी घबरा जाऊंगा और मैं भी अपना ही वर्जन बताने की कोशिश करूंगा जो मैं जानता हूँ हिंदुज़म के बारे में। तो मैं कोई रेफरेंस नहीं दे सकता हूँ कि कुछ भी नहीं देख सकता हूँ। तो ये हो सकता है, लेकिन उस लड़के को, वैभव को वो चीज़ नहीं करना चाहिए। अगर तुम्हारे पास पूरा क्लिप है तो उस पूरा क्लिप में से एक छोटा सा वीडियो का कटआउट निकाल के अगर तुम पोस्ट करके तुमको अगर हेट फैलाना है तो वो चीज़ मत करो। तुम देखो, पूरा वीडियो देखो, उस किस संदर्भ में बात किया गया है, किसके बारे में मतलब उसमें बात किया गया है। उसमें तो मतलब एक अगर टॉपिक एक अगर डिस्कोर्स होता है तो उसमें बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स यहाँ वहाँ से आती रहती है, ठीक है। एक टॉपिक के ऊपर ही बात करने के लिए 5 रेफरेंसेस देना पड़ता है कभी कभार, ठीक है। तो अगर 5 रेफरेंसेस में से किसी एक रेफरेंस को उठा के तुम पूरा बताओगे कि ऐसा बताया जा रहा है, तो वो चीज़ तो गलत है, वो चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए थी। और हाँ हाँ, स्ट्रिंग भाई साहब को भी, विनोद भाई को भी मतलब बोलने देना चाहिए था, वो इतना फ्यूरियस हो गए थे। आई नो सदगुरु सर से, मतलब सदगुरु जी से आपका मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा रिश्ता है और आप उनको बहुत अच्छे मतलब गुरु मानते हो, स्पिरिचुअल गुरु मानते हो, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप उसके ऊपर चढ़ पड़ोगे, ठीक है ना। तो ये वीडियो उतना भी खास नहीं था लेकिन ठीक ठाक था। अभी मेरे को इंटरेस्ट लग रहा है कि पार्ट 3 भी देखना है, पार्ट 3 क्या होता है देखना है। सो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करो। पार्ट 3 देखना है कि नहीं, पार्ट 3 देखना है ना, तो सब्सक्राइब करो, घंटा दबाओ, तब जाके यहाँ पे आएगा नोटिफिकेशन में, ठीक है। तब तक के लिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। बाय बाय, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।